Recording as well. Okay. So basically, AD admin is the utility with the help of that we maintain and we manage our Oracle applications. Say for example, I lost some file. So say we have message file and I lost due to any reason my developer or the product owner by mistake they deleted. Okay. So what will happen if any errors or any message should come that will not be. Because already we have lost the message file, so being as the apps DBA we have to recover. Okay, so I mean either what we can do, if we have backup we can restore. Okay, or with the help of AD admin we can perform the restore.
There's the first option, no? Generate files. That
Yeah,
option we can
yeah,
use.
we have generated the file. So either if we have backup, say for example, 2 days back I took complete file system backup, say u01 slash app, and in that we have application. So if we took the backup, from backup we can restore, or through area admin we can restore. Okay, so let me do just a small recap and we will start. So generate message file, generate form file, generate report file, jar file. Okay, so we will do one and remaining is the same. Say for example, I'll go to GL top. So in GL top we should have message, under message we should have US. Yeah, the last one. Okay, the last one, message. Yeah, under that this is the us.msb. So what I'll do, rather than removing I will take a backup one, and this is the hyphen. Done. Now let me cross check. So we do not have our actual file us.msb. We have all the backups. Okay, not a big deal. Go to control C, come back, clear the screen. Okay, now area admin. So AD admin I can get if I have set the consolidate environment variables. Okay, so for example, cat.bash underscore profile, say this one. If we have set this one, then we can get AD admin. Otherwise, if I will set this one, I will not get. So what we can do, we can go to AD top slash bin, and from there also we can execute. Say this one, AD top slash bin, AD admin. So either we can set the variables or either we can use from here. But Oracle always recommends we have to set the environment variables. Okay. So rather than going to that path from executing, no, it's not a recommended one. Set the variable, set the environment variable, and execute AD admin from any location.
Okay.
Okay. See, it is asking Apple top. Already we have seen it's a correct Apple top. So if you want to cross verify, you can do like CD dollar Apple top or echo dollar Apple top. Clear the screen. Say echo dollar apple underscore top. So we are getting user one app prod apps stack apple. Exactly same thing. So we should before running any command we should be cross verified. Okay. So already we knows if you want to mention the default log file, please go ahead. Otherwise, we can mention say 2nd November dot hyphen admin dot log. So in the future, if I want to know what happened with this, so we can open this log file and we can know. Right? So you want to specify the email. So we do not have mail server. So I'll say no. So batch size, yes, we know. Is this correct database? Yes. Password of manager. System is manager. So question comes, hey, why we are going to specify the database user password? Reason is that whatever I'm doing, that should be recorded to my database. And for login to database, I require this database credential. So user will be system and password will be manager. Now enter the Oracle application password. I'll mention apps. Okay. So generate the application. Okay. I'll use one. So generate the message file. Okay. I'll use one. Already we have seen on that day. So worker 4. So now how Oracle will decide the worker 4? We have depend upon the number of CPUs. So in this machine, I have a 2 CPUs, and how can we find slash proc slash CPU info?
CPU info.
Yeah, CPU info. So we can know either it's a dual core, 3 core, 4 core, whatever we have, and multiply by 2.
Mm, mm,
So correct character set exactly, yes. So enter the list of product. If I'll say all, it will try to generate all the message file. So we have to maintain
mm,
GL top. Enter the list of
mm,
language. So by default, I will get US. See, the current set is US. If I'm using multi-language
mm,
like US, like with a combination of French or Arabic, so we should choose that one.
mm,
Okay. Is this correct language? Yes, exactly. So system will generate two files. The one is fnd install and any deferred jobs. What are the file we have that I will discuss. See, so it will create. Let before starting the job, it will create, and once the job has been done, it will drop the table both fnd install process and any deferred job. Both it will drop. So the review the message and yes, okay. Let me cross verify. Do we have message file? Yes, we have message file. Okay, fine. So likewise, we can generate the form file we have. Likewise, we can generate the report file we have. Likewise, we can generate the jar file. See, one thing I want to share with you, though Oracle has given generate the report file. Okay, so what we feel, I will use AD admin option. I will go here AD admin. I'll mention generate the report file. I'll say enter, and it will generate the report file. But no, I mean, this is the wrong statement. When I'm using generate report file, actually it will not generate the report file. So what we have to do, we have to generate the report file through backup, not through AD admin. Okay. So let me show you an example. See, cd report. Under that we have a US. See, these are the report file. Okay. So let me take one report file. This one, glx.rdf. I'll put here. So let me take the backup. Take the backup. Move USA with backup. No, let me cross check. Do we have now? No, we don't have. See, no
mm,
such file and directory. Okay, go to admin. So I will choose option 3, generate report file. Okay, same old story, number of worker process. So do you want to generate Oracle report object using this character set? Exactly this one. Do you want to generate the report PL file? If you are agree, you can yes. I'll say no. It's up to you. Okay. Do you want to generate Oracle report executable file? I'll say yes. Enter the list of products. So I want to use GL top. Specify the report object which you want to selected product. So which report object you want? I want to use this one. Sorry. Generate a specific report. Yes. So enter the language. That's all.
mm,
Yes. So which language, which report file you want to generate? I'll say this one, glx Okay. Let me try to recover. I'll say enter. See. So it's creating report file. Okay. Continue. Okay. Let me cross check. Same old command. See. Though I got the message, go up, go up, go up. See, assigning file this, and completed to this one worker, telling worker to quit. But when I'm seeing here sfltr glx it's not generating. So the option which Oracle has given, I mean, it won't work. So generally, if I lost my report file, we should have a backup, and from backup we have to store. So we took the backup, and from backup we can restore restore oh shit store report file. Okay, so we cannot generate the report file through admin, and
Mhm.
apart from that, option is same. Yeah, option is same. So I mean, it will generate the product file, or you can go with, I mean, return to main menu. Say I'll say 5. I'll back. Any question till now?
Report file, why option is there if report file
I
is
mean,
not present?
exactly. I mean, see, generally, I haven't encountered that by mistake someone has deleted the report file. Yeah. So we
So
haven't
we saw
explored
that,
that.
yeah,
Yeah.
we see that we can, sorry, we see already that we can create the message file,
Hmm.
and we know we can, last lecture, we saw that
Yeah,
how to
yes, yes,
create.
Salman. Message file we have created and form file we have created. But
Yes.
when I'm using this generate report file, it haven't worked. I mean, example we have seen. So I mean, I haven't talked with Oracle also on that why we have this option and why we are not able to generate. But I mean, maybe it's a kind of bug or malfunctionality of the option. So I mean, just why? Because sometimes people will ask, hey, I want to generate the report file. So what assumption we have? I'll go to admin, I'll choose option 3, and I will say enter, 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 and it will generate. No, it will not generate.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
So
Okay.
so I mean, interview people will ask, hey, how to generate? So when we are giving this kind of answer, it will feel that guy will feel, hey, that guy haven't worked on Oracle application. So
Okay.
just one thing I want to discuss with you. Okay, so that we have done.
Someone asked that, hey, can you, are you able to create a report file using the admin? If you say yes, then means like you don't know.
Exactly, exactly. But because see, example we have seen. I mean, when I'm using AD admin option, and when we are trying to recover this file glxusa.rdf, it's not going to regenerate. So through backup, we have to restore that one. Okay. So
Okay.
I think it's fine with you guys. Okay, so let me continue. Okay. Now next option what we have. Okay. So go to AD admin, Apple top. Yes. Log file. Log file I'll mention 2nd November hyphen 1 dot admin dot log. Okay. Okay. Yes. Batch size. Yes. Database. Yes. Password manager. Apps. So this we have seen how to change in the maintenance mode, and already we know, and this we have seen. So let me go to option 2. Okay, option 2. So let me open this one. So where is my slide? Day 2, day 2, day 2. So application top, day 1, day 3. Where I kept that file. Okay, anyway, not able to find the file. Top, day I forgot where I kept that slide. On that day, we have discussed this slide. Okay, so we'll see later. Okay. So one thing, I mean, I have shared the videos. Did you got?
No, didn't see.
Oh, is it? I think I on that
Yeah,
day I shared.
we'll see later, but didn't see it.
Okay. Okay. Anyway, we'll see after the class. Okay. After the class, I'll share.
Okay.
I
Okay.
think I shared with you guys, but maybe link got missed. Okay. So come to this way. Okay. So first option is relink application program. Okay. So anytime you heard relink Oracle Home,
Railing Oracle Home, but
I mean, yeah, that's why. I mean, I'm asking. Anytime did we heard this term? Hey, relink Oracle Home. No. Okay, not an issue.
uh,
Not an issue. Okay, leave it. Leave it. Say for example, I
Railing.
I have
I
Oracle
know
Home.
Rail M. I know
We have option relink.
Oracle Rail M. Oracle
Re-
Rail M.
re-
RLM.
Realm is different.
Okay, okay.
Yeah, realm is different. Say sometime what happened? Um, say my Oracle Home we have, and obviously my instance will use this Oracle Home, and my listener will use this Oracle Home. So whenever I'm going to apply the patch, what will happen? Oracle will check, do we have any running process in this Oracle Home or not? When you say, hey, patch or the patch number, so it will check this Oracle Home. Do we have any process running in this Oracle Home or not? If anything is running, anything is running, it means still this home is used. So patch will not work. Patch will not work. It will say, hey, something is running, something is running. So what we have to do, we have to cross check what is running. Okay, so we have one command called ls off, and I'll mention the location, ls off. So what this command will do, this command will check the location and it will display what are the process are using this home and what are the process is using which files. So what we do, either we can kill those process or either we can shut down this process or whatever. It's up to you. Either you want to kill or either you want to um, um, gracefully shut down the process. Up to you. So reason is that Oracle don't want to do any kind of malfunctioning or any kind of binaries issue. Say what happened, forcefully we did something. So might be the binaries we have, it may corrupt. It may corrupt. I mean, we did something wrong, so this Oracle Home got corrupted, or some file in Oracle Home got corrupted. So if I want to make them perfectly, what we have to do, we have to say relink hyphen all. So this relink, what it will do, it will check the integrity of my files, whatever the file we have in Oracle Home. Either do we have any kind of corruption or not?
Okay.
Getting or not? So same
Yes.
thing. So what we do, if we will say a relink, so whatever the corruption we have, I mean, one time it happened. What happened? My colleague was applying the patch. So before shut, I mean, it was a rack patch. Generally, what we do, we shut down one instance in node one, we apply the patch, then we start the instance on that node, go to second node, shut down the services. But system will ask, hey, you want to apply this patch or not in second node? If I will say, so it will copy that patch and it will apply. So when by mistake, one colleague, what he did, I mean, without shutting down the instance, he says yes. I mean, though patch got failed, but it got corrupted. It corrupted some Oracle binaries on that particular node. So what we did, we went to the MOS and we came to know if something is wrong with Oracle Home or binaries, what you have to do, you have to perform a relink option.
Okay.
Okay.
So, one question like, I know we have a rolling patch
Yeah,
and we can apply patch on a single node. When we are
exactly.
applying a patch on a single node, we say, let's say, O patch apply local, minus local.
Yeah, local.
So it will apply on local and then you start up that instance, go node 2, shut down and apply patch. Now, because of the patch application README file saying you have to shut down, let's say Oracle Home or Listener or some component wasn't shut down properly and mess up with your Oracle Home, right?
Yeah,
Now, before your Oracle Home mess up, usually whatever he's applying, he try to first take a backup of something, right? And
exactly.
then apply the patch. So this relink is a kind of LNS kind of symbolic link kind of thing, or
See,
what
ls
it?
of, see what ls of will do. In Oracle Home, we have thousands of file. Okay. So when I'm going to apply the patch, system will say, hey, some process is already using some files in that Oracle Home, but we are not able to find. So what we can do with the help of ls of option, we can know which file is using or is being used.
Okay.
Say for example, let me go to Oracle cd Oracle underscore home, and I'll say ps-ef grep pmon. Okay, say pmon is running here, but suppose pmon is not running. So what we do, we say lsn. So I came to know this two listener, one is application listener and one is database listener is up and running. But when I did ps-ef grep lsn, so I got the message nothing is running. So I want to know what is happening, what is running in my Oracle Home. So what we say ls off, and this complete location pwd ls off and complete location. So you can know what is running. See, so when I did ls off, so it's saying that three processes are using this Oracle Home, and this is a process ID. So what we can
Yeah.
do, yeah, what we can do. I mean, I'm sure this is not the critical process. So kill -9 and the process ID.
Okay. What about listener in this scenario? If you go to Oracle Home and see that if he's giving us listener is running under that home.
So in that case, we are assured that the listener is running. So it means listener is important process. So what we can do, we can go to the, we can set the variables and we say lsnr ctl stop listener. See this
No, in this case, if we write a command, something like ls off, and then after that we give a path of from UO1 to all the way to 11.1.0/bin. See what happens.
you are saying that we have to go to Oracle Home.
No, not going Oracle Home. Just use the command which is we have ls off. And
Okay.
with the help of lsoff, after lsoff we type or give a path of the whole Oracle home location,
Mhm.
and see that what he is telling us it's running under that home. Just see that. I want to see that
Okay.
this command is that much powerful to give us that what
Okay.
is running in there.
Okay. Okay. Sure. 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 So ls off. I'll say this.
And the path. Yes, maybe environment is not set, but environment not required might
No,
be
no,
for
no.
this command.
No. Environment is not required. Environment is not required. So let me open what exactly it will do.
Because I familiar on this command. I see different places this command, but I didn't use it. And by the way, relink thing is something on my head comes something like rsync. If you use
Yeah.
rsync, rsync
rsync is different. Rsync is different.
is broken file. He's going to source and destination check and then do the remaining file part completion, right?
Just 1 minute. Okay. See, list all open files with ls of command. So in the below example, it will show long listing the open files. Some of them are extracted for better understanding. So when I did ls of, so it will give the command, the process ID, the user ID, the type. So
Okay.
CWD is current working directory, root directory, and this one.
Yeah, when we run ls off, he was not returning us anything in our
Okay,
case,
let me check. ls of.
because maybe some pipes required or something.
Yeah, maybe something is required. Okay, let me cross check. See. So when I did
User or-
clear the
Yes.
command. So ls of -u Oracle. So I want to know what is happening, what process are using the files in this location. So what I
Okay.
did ls of -u means user Oracle.
Okay, I got it. Now it's good.
So
Now it's good.
Yeah, so same more. So see, these are the file is running. See, whatever file you are getting. Okay, let me do one more thing. One more thing. I mean, just to show you guys, let me 6 cd admin script ad stop apps/apps. So before that, running this, let me get the count. wc-l. So how many process? 2598. Okay, take it here. Close this one. So I want to shut down everything and I want to cross verify. Okay, what exact result I will get. So Siddharth and Salman, I mean, this weekend, Saturday and Sunday, should we have a class?
Saturday, Sunday, I
No,
have
no,
a change.
no, just asking. I mean, if you guys are okay, then fine. Otherwise, we can.
I have very critical changes this weekend, but next weekend maybe we can work out. But
Okay,
I
sure.
think we can extend the hours of class. We can,
Actually, see, Salman, the problem is, I mean, generally
or maybe extend the length of these classes. Like for us, no problem. If we go slowly, gradually, better for us.
actually, see, the problem is, I mean, mostly online classes time I used to take between 6 to 8, between 6 to 8. So this time we are starting at 6:30. Why? Because Siddharth is there. So for if I'll start at 6 o'clock, it will be 3:30 for him. So it's a very late night. And apart from that, after 8, I mean, there is a lot of work. I mean, from tomorrow, one batch is going to start at Golden Gate batch. So
Okay.
Saturday, Sunday, okay, in other Saturday, Sunday, we will extend the class. Okay.
Yeah, not this one, but happen. I have some changes. After
Sir,
Thanksgiving will be fine, no problem. And
no, no, another thing, your golden. Okay, okay, Salman, you can tell. Then after that, I'll talk.
yeah, we'll discuss later on. Let's continue to
Okay,
finish
sure,
as
sure.
much as we can.
Okay, so login snrctl stop prod. I'm starting the listener and shut down this. So before shutting down database, again I will take the count. Okay, so it was 2598 and let me cross check. See, it became 1710. It means I shut down my Oracle application, I shut down my listener. So some process got reduced. Let me shut down my DB as well.
No, no, I am telling that Golden Gate Batch tomorrow, and you have a demo class or what?
It's a demo class, yeah. It's a demo 1 day demo class we have.
Okay, at what time you that is starting?
It will start at 8 o'clock sharp.
Oh, 8 o'clock, sir.
Yeah.
It's around
IST,
5:30 here.
IST AM, right? 8 a.m.
Yeah,
IST.
8 a.m. IST time.
So, Salman, you are coming?
Uh,
Salman already knows Golden Gate.
yeah, right now my life is in a very dangerous situation.
Why?
I so much work. My contract is going to finish. Maybe jobless after. Let's see what happens.
No, man, you are such a highly qualified engineer.
I
How
have
can it be?
I have to look around because nowadays they are looking for Teradata. They're saying that okay, you know everything, but should have to know something about Teradata as well. But
Yeah, I know when I was doing my rack classes, one of my friend he was also doing with me this rack classes, and suddenly he got a job in one of Synchron. So
I
there,
put very I can put 100,000 very there, very confident that this Oracle apps training will take me somewhere higher level. That you'll see because
But
because
Salman, I want to interrupt.
market,
I want to
yeah,
interrupt you.
yeah,
See,
yeah.
what generally we feel being as a student. Suppose if I'll be a student, And if faculty is teaching me anything, I mean, we are thinking, I mean, once the course has been done, I will get the job. I think this topic already I've
Mm.
discussed. After finishing the course, it will take minimum 2 to 3 months to be expert in Oracle application.
Yeah.
That's true.
Minimum 3 months. Why? Because see, being as a faculty, I can tell you the topic. So, for example, file system. So, file system we have discussed, but there are a lot of things in file system. So that cannot be covered within 1 day or 2 day. So you have to study. You have to study.
Yeah, my understanding, the requirement of the client, if they are looking for a apps DBA for the installation, patching, and cloning, these three major responsibilities, then we can explain him. We work.
Recording as well. So yes, batch size yes, correct database yes, password is manager yes, password is apps. Verifying this. Okay. Now go to this one. See, relink application program. So relink application program is same that we have done the relinking in Oracle Home. So see, most of the time, I mean, if something is wrong with your any particular product, say something is wrong with GL top, okay. So generally, what we do rather than doing some kind of R&D, we raise the ticket to Oracle support. Say if some form is not opening or some some functionality is not working in that particular form, so rather than, I mean, first we do some R&D, but before putting this R&D to production, or if it is development, I'm fine, we can do R&D, but if it is production, so what we do, we talk with Oracle support. So let me click one option one here. See, it's saying something AD administration user Oracle application file, set up this. So do you want to proceed with relink? If I'll say yes, it will take a lot of time. Shall we say yes?
Yeah.
Yes. If
No,
we say
no.
yes, it's going to take a lot of time,
It will
right?
take a lot of time. Yeah, it will take a lot of.
No,
So
we
the
will give
purpose, the purpose
option with.
for, yeah, the purpose for this relink is, if something is wrong with your any top, so we can try to make a correction with the help of this option, relink application program.
Hmm. Hmm.
Okay, let
No,
me.
no, just I want to ask you, just I want to know that this relink application program, in case like I do echo command to some of the like form, like the GL form, FND, any form. So suddenly after that, I know that something got corrupted. So I will come here and I will start this relink application.
No,
So it will find which
no,
file
no,
is
no, no,
corrupted or what.
no, Siddharth, no, no. See, something is wrong with one form. So first we should
Okay.
try, hey, what is the issue? What is the reason? What happened with this form? But because see,
Mm-hmm.
this option, Oracle Home, if I'll say relink all, what will happen? It will try to relink all the Oracle binaries. So here we have
Mm-hmm.
very few files. See how many files we have? We have almost 611 file. But in Oracle application, there is a thousands of file. So we don't. If I
Yeah.
will say relink, what are the files it will? I mean, it will try to make a correction. But what are the files? Say for example,
Mm-hmm.
in the GL top, one form is something issue with the form. So what you will do? You will try to relink. So what will happen? It will try to relink all the GL top. And what about the users?
Mm-hmm.
Those who are using my GL top.
Mm-hmm.
So maybe their session can
That's a very
disconnect or
dangerous command. Then it's very dangerous command.
they just command. Yes, exactly. See,
And
Oracle.
then I think also, if I take it in this way, before running this relink, you have to copy the current state of the system. Like you
Exactly,
have to
exactly,
create a backup of your home.
exactly,
Right.
exactly.
This is what I want to explain. That before I run this command, what I should do, I should keep a backup of all my application
I
and
have a
all those.
feeling. I have a feeling this relink command even work for a normal database home.
Yes, yes, we have seen here. We have seen here. See the here. We have seen.
Yeah, yeah, so Alamsar showed us no here link command. But
Yes.
it is a dangerous command because if you start linking it can also corrupt some of the files.
Exactly, exactly. See, so
So
I'm riding one Ferrari. I mean, 200 miles per hour or 150 miles per hour.
if Oracle take this,
It's
this challenge with the, our line of business or our managers are agree, if nothing happen, then you take a backup and run this command because you can restore anytime, right?
yes, yes, exactly, exactly.
Mm.
then it's fine. Or maybe this command don't have that luxury to backing up anything, but I think you do manual backup and then run this command. Okay,
Sh-
we can move forward.
shall we say yes? No.
No, 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 always no.
So,
There's a Chinese guy who's telling me always when you shut down a board.
shut
Why?
Shut down a board. There is no difference to startup, and it's if you shut down a board, no problem. Don't go shut down immediate. Go shut down a board.
Oh my God.
I say,
Oh my God. Oh my God. Oh
Because
my
he
God.
want to do some R&D on the database or something. That's why he's saying.
yeah, this Chinese guy is like that. They want to become smart, but not all of them. Some of them like that. Not all of them like that.
But one thing, Alam, I need to ask you that that day I start that book of AD admin.
Mhm.
It is lot of things are written like print debug, workers, local workers. Means hello.
I'm listening. I'm listening.
Yeah, a lot of thing means I'm a bit confused that I was searching this content where to because what you have taught like the generation of files and message box
Mhm.
those but I didn't got any of that.
I have a feeling like your day-to-day operation maybe you're using this for patching or some sort of maintenance, right?
Yes, yes, yes.
I heard that everyone's saying in apps DBA 90% patching.
90% patching. Yep, exactly. 90% patching. Why? Because see, being as apps DB, we do patching, patching, and patching. A lot of
Oh,
patching.
so all the time you're using this AD utility, AD admin utility,
Yes, yes, yes. But
and then give a path
yeah.
of the
But
file.
when I'm using 12.1.1, so patching is easy, but getting the downtime from customer is tough. So for
Okay.
example, if I want to apply 10 patches, so either we can get a single downtime, say downtime is for 10 hours. And if it is
Mhm.
production, customer will not be agree for 10 hours. Agree?
Yes.
production
Yeah, but
production how they will be
that
agreed for 10
should
hours.
be on that.
Yeah, yeah. That's why whenever we do patching in Oracle application, we do patching one by one. Say in test, say for example, we have one patch. Patch is 21000 dot A. So this patch I will apply in dev. This patch again I will apply in test. Okay. Say in development it took 30 minutes. In test it took
Hmm.
say 35 minutes. So it means in production it may take 40 minutes or it may take 50 minutes, not more than that. So
Okay.
we will take the downtime from customer for 50 minutes and I'll apply the patch. So production patching is one by one. But when I will talk about Oracle 12.2.2, so what we do, we do online patching. My application is up and running. User are using my application. Not at all bother about them. Just apply the patch in production. You can apply the patch. Okay. So what are the options we have that I'll discuss later. Okay. I'll discuss later.
That is interesting.
I'll discuss
Okay.
later.
Okay. 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 Okay.
Okay. Now, so we will discuss one more topic. I mean, still we haven't finished. We haven't finished. We will see
Yeah, we are
AD.
not going anywhere. We are just
Ah.
after 2 days. We won't take long class.
I mean, we will take long class. So AD control. Okay, AD control.
Okay. Okay.
This utility is used.
One thing, Alam sir, I just want to tell you that on 7th we will have a class because I hope that I mean no, I'm traveling that day to India.
Oh, you are
So
coming to
if
India.
yeah, just
Can you
for a
meet there to Alam sir?
I'm going to Odisha.
Okay. So what about the classes? How you will take the classes?
No, no.
In the,
Once I reach India, we will do classes, but only on the day in which I will be traveling. Just can we skip that one
Yes,
because
we can.
I
We
will
can.
be
I mean, it's mutually
only one
between.
day.
Sure,
And
sure,
once
sure,
we
sure.
reach India, then we can continue. Not an
Sure, sure,
issue.
sure. Yeah, it's a mutual between you and us. I mean, if you are traveling, of
Yeah.
course, you cannot take the
Brother,
classes.
yeah.
Now, when you will be in India, it will be easy for you to take the classes. Wake up at 6 o'clock, take the classes, and I can sleep.
Yes.
Yes.
Okay, okay, okay. So AD control is a utility to use to manage worker process. So we have seen whenever I am going to use AD admin, we mention the worker process. Agree?
Yes.
Agree.
Agree. So what will happen in case of worker process? So what Oracle will do? Oracle will create four process. So that four process will perform our job. Say for example, I'm going to apply one patch dot A. Okay. So this patch will take 4 hours if I am using one worker. Agree?
Hmm.
But if I will use four worker, it may take
30 minutes.
no, not 30 minutes, not 30 minutes. So four worker, one worker,
One
four.
hour, one
So
hour.
it may take 1 hour or 1 hour 20 minutes.
20 minutes.
Okay. So with the help of AD control utility, we can monitor our worker. Hey, suppose I have given worker 4, but which worker is using which activity?
Yes. Same
Okay.
like data pump. We can go.
Exactly. Work AD control worker concept is same exactly data pump. If I'm using data pump, we will see worker W00 something. Same thing here. If I'm using AD control and I have given worker 4, so we can monitor the worker and we can know what it's doing.
Means like in data pump, you want to tell that you are using the last command like parallel, huh?
Exactly same. Okay, so in
But
AD,
one thing, in AD utility also there is a option worker equal to 4 and local worker also is there
we
in
have,
AD
we have,
admin.
we have, we have, we have. That's I'm going to discuss. I'm going to discuss. Okay. Now, so a worker has some status. I think I have a PPT for this one. Just let me one. Rather than typing it, we can open and we can see. Exactly. Yeah. This one we have. Yeah. So I'll discuss only this one. Yeah. So this is the status. Say what I did. I mentioned worker 4. So initially the status of worker will be ideal. Why? Because this worker is not doing anything. Okay. And when the status will be changed to assign, it means this worker got the job, but he have not started. Getting my point?
Okay.
Okay. Now
Okay.
next status will be running. It means worker got the job and he started working on that. So it means the status will be running. Due to some reason, my worker got failed. So automatically status will be changed running to failed. When it got failed, so what we have to do, we have to log into application, we have to try to fix the worker issue, and we have to restart. So then status will be fixed, comma restart.
Mm.
Okay. Now, when the worker again restarted, the status will be restarted. See, there is a difference between restart and restarted. Restart means worker got failed. What I did, I logged into Oracle application. I have checked the worker log file and I came to know due to this reason, worker got failed. So I fixed the issue and I restarted the worker. So status will be fixed, restart. Once the worker has been started working properly, the status will be restarted. And once the job has been done, the status will be completed.
Okay.
Mm.
Got the idea?
Right.
Okay. So
Yeah.
this is
Yeah.
the kind of flow chart. So see, he is waiting. He got one box. It means he got the job,
Assign.
and that box got moved to right hand side. It means it's running. And once the job has been completed, I got a tick mark. It means the job has been completed. But see, in the running state, something is wrong. So we came down. It got failed. What I did, I fixed, I restarted, it got restarted, and it got completed.
Mm.
Okay, now let me show you one thing. Okay, Go to Oracle application. So go back and generate the specific file. Okay, sorry, specific option one. So generate the say form file. Number of worker I mentioned 4, and character set yes, 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 yes. So I am going to generate all the forms in GL top. So why? Because it will take a lot of time. So meanwhile, I can see the worker status.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, generate specific form file. Yes. Okay, generate all language. Yes.
All. Select
Yeah,
all.
I have given all. Why? Because it will take some time. So we can get the worker status. See, assigning. Okay, let me log into other Oracle application window. So hyphen gr. So it's running. So ad control. See, it is asking same thing. Correct apple top? Yes. Control file. So I'll mention november.log. So our application user password, apps, its password, apps. Oh, wrong password. It's apps. Password is apps. See, I got show worker status. Tell the worker to restart the job. So first I will give show. See, how many worker I have mentioned? 4 worker. So worker 1, it's running. What it's doing, it's working on this, and what is the file? This file, and the status is running.
Hmm.
Getting some idea?
Yeah.
Yeah.
See, so I want to show the complete status as well. So we need to keep on checking this one. See, worker 4 is working on which file? ARX. See, wait. See the status. It means the job for worker 4 has been done and he has not get any job. So it's waiting. Salman and Siddharth, that's clear to you?
Yes.
Yes. Yes.
Okay. See,
Maybe
completed.
which option you selected?
Option 1. Option 1. See,
Option
the
one.
status got changed. It's completed. Okay, let me increase the size for window. Okay, continue. See, option 1. Show the worker status. That's it. I'm not doing anything.
Okay.
See, it's running.
One more. 1 minute. 1 minute. One
Huh.
second. So.
Huh.
Oh, ADCTL. Then what you did? So the worker stresses. Huh?
Okay, yeah. Let me close. Okay, let me close. Exit. Clear the screen. I did AD control.
Mm-hmm.
So it is asking correct Apple top. Yes.
Hmm.
Log file. I'll mention 2nd November dot one dot log.
Hmm.
It is asking the user for application. So it's apps password for that
Hmm.
user. Okay, so
Hmm.
there are so many options, so we will check one by one. So today I'll discuss only this, show the worker status. So I'll say option 1.
Hmm.
See,
Hmm.
so worker 1 and worker 2 is
Hmm.
waiting, they don't have any job now, and worker 3
Hmm.
and 4 is running. So continue.
Hmm.
Again option 1. See, again it's waiting, they are waiting. Okay, they are waiting.
Hmm.
It may be the job has been done. Say still they are waiting, so automatically status will be changed.
Waiting means it's available, but he don't have any job.
Yeah, exactly. Exactly. See, now worker 1, 2, and 4 is waiting, and only 3 is running. Okay. See, now all they got the job.
Hmm.
Okay. So likewise, we can perform the worker maintenance. I mean, apart from that, we have some other options like tell worker to restart a failed job, tell worker to quit, tell the manager that worker failed. Okay. So what I'll do, I will try to quit one worker. Let's say 3. So I will use option 3.
Yeah, like parallel is equals to 10, then parallel is equals to 5.
Exactly. So enter the worker number all for all the workers or press go back. So I'll say 2. Okay. So
Can
what
I
you
change the worker number of workers, right? Instead of 4, I can I make it 2?
of
No?
course we can. Yeah, of course we can say 2. So I want to quit worker 3. Oh, sorry, worker 2. So control chain got 2. Okay. Now check me that. See. Now worker 2, it's saying done. It means this worker is waiting. I mean the job has been stopped. Now what we have to do in that case is to monitor the worker, all the workers in company, we have a manager. So manager should know either worker has quit or not, or worker has is working or not. So what we have to do, we have to inform to manager as well. Hey, this worker too got finished. They are not doing anything. See,
Okay.
so
Tell
we have to,
number 5,
yeah,
tell a okay, number 4, tell that the worker failed
it's job.
its job.
Okay, fine. I'll mention 4. So which was
But
work?
yeah. Let's see that because nothing is failed here.
Yeah,
Nothing is failed. It's waiting.
exactly. So what message I got? Worker 2 doesn't have status running, restarted, fixed or restart. Okay.
Yeah.
So
Yeah.
let me show the worker again. This time what I'll do, um,
Tell the manager that the worker acknowledged quit.
yeah, I'll start the worker. Okay. So I will use option 6. I'll mention 2. Okay. Continue and option 1. See, it got running again. See,
Two.
it got,
When you say two, it means you added two more workers or what?
see, Salman, what I did in a first case, say option 1. So option 1 means whatever the worker is running, it will display. Agree?
Okay.
Okay.
Yeah.
Now, if something is wrong with worker, say worker got failed due to any reason, it got failed. So what I have to do, I have to tell to worker to start the failed job with the option 2.
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm.
Clear? Then in the third step, I want to quit the worker. I will say, hey worker 2, just quit, don't do anything. So with the help of
Mm.
option 3, we can do.
Yeah. Yeah.
And when the job has been failed with worker, say worker 2 has been failed due to any reason, so manager should know that worker 2 has been failed for his job. So in that case, I will use option 4.
Just to inform to the manager, right?
Exactly, exactly. And now when the worker has acknowledged the quit, so manager should know. Tell manager that worker 3 or worker 4 got quit. And option 6 means I want to restart the worker again.
Mm.
And that example we have seen here.
These all scenario when I thinking, it's something like you're doing something and maybe you're working on GL only, but other applications slowing down. So someone saying that, hey, what you are doing, all the resources you're utilizing, so you reduce the workers. You can do
Ex-
from here, right?
exactly, exactly. But we can say for example, by mistake, someone has given process 10 or process 20, worker 20. It means there will be a 20 worker will perform your job and it will increase your CPU utilization. So in that
If you
case,
exceed
I want to
the
quit
number
some worker.
if you exceed the number of CPUs, I believe each worker is a CPU, right, or less than
Exactly,
that.
exactly. Each worker will once it will consume some CPU, obviously.
So algorithm works in a way. If I say 1,000 workers, it will take only four because four CPUs.
No, not like that. Not like that. It say it has some limitation. I think maximum 72 worker we can mention.
Yeah, I remember like if you give more worker processes as compared to your CPU, the algorithm works in a way that Oracle determines that in this machine I have only four CPUs, let's say, and you give 40 workers. So he will go and give you only four instead of failing.
Mm,
right? No,
I haven't tried. I haven't tried, but okay. Let me note down. Let me note down.
there should be something like that
We
because
can try
when they are designing this process, they might think.
and see the CPU count. Okay, that I'll check. Yeah, that I'll check. Okay. So let me continue. Now, what I
Because
want
in
to do.
data pump, it works as I tell you. That in data pump, if you give, let's say, 50, 50 parallel is equals to 50, and you have dual core, it will not crash the job or not failing the job. It will take only two.
Mhm.
Okay, anyhow, let's go.
Okay. So let me quit the worker again. So show the status first. Okay. 4 is running. So I want to quit worker 3. Okay. So enter the worker number 3. Okay. 3. Change to quit. Okay. Continue. Let me show the status. See. Now it got quit. I mean, actually, it haven't quit. So what we have to do, we have to inform to the manager as well that worker has quit. So now, if I want to restart this worker again, we have option 6. So let me give her option 6. So first
No,
again,
quit is
start.
already gone, right? Quit is not restartable.
Actually, it's not. It haven't quit. What he did. See, until and unless we will not inform to manager that this got quit, so his status will be waiting. So what I did, I mean, I had 4 people, and I said, hey, do one thing, worker 2, just quit. But what happened? I mean, he has not went from the company. He is there, but he's waiting. Okay, maybe I'll get the job. Maybe I'll get the job. So he's waiting. So what we have to do, we have to inform the manager, hey, worker 3 is not doing anything. So let them quit. So when the manager will say, then he will quit from the company, then it means it has gone. Getting my point, Salman?
Yeah, means like in no case the worker can go away. It will be stay here with
It
some
will be
kind
here.
of
It
status.
will be here. Yes, it will be here. Like, for example, I'm a permanent employee of XYZ company. So I'm not doing anything. It means I'm ideal, but it doesn't mean I'm out from the company.
Yeah, you're on the bench.
Exactly,
Getting
exactly. I'm on the bench. So this now worker 3 is on bench. He's not doing anything. So I want to.
I know cognizant doing all the time. This.
Okay, so let me start worker again.
Okay.
6, option 6. So which worker I want to? 3. See, status got changed to startup. Okay, continue and see the message. It's running.
Yeah, yeah.
But anyway, I mean, we will have more classes on this AD control or AD admin. We'll see some more thing about this. Okay, but because it's an important one, we should know the AD control and AD admin well.
Yes.
So any question till now?
Yeah, just from the job perspective,
Mhm.
because for example, tomorrow someone asked me already that if you have some